Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to recover ChatGPT account password on your Android. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Here, as we know that ChatGPT is not available in app. So in order to open our ChatGPT, we'll have to go through our Google Chrome. And the first step here we're going to take is opening our Google Chrome. After opening our Google Chrome, here on the search bar, we'll have to type chat.openai.com. After that, here you will be able to see a welcome page from where you can either log in or sign up. Here you'll have to tap on login. If you haven't made a ChatGPT account, then first of all you'll have to make your ChatGPT account, for which you'll have to tap on sign up. For now, we'll be tapping on login. After tapping on login, here you can type your email address. However, scrolling down, you'll also be able to see two other options, being continue with Google and continue with Microsoft account. You can continue with either of them or with your email address. For now, I will be continuing with my email address. After typing the email address, tap on continue. After that, here as you can see, you'll be on the next page where you'll have to enter your password. Here the top box you'll get is the email address that you have typed, and right between the password box and the continue option, you'll be able to see another options written in green letter, that is forgot password. Tap on it. After that, here you'll have to type your email address to get notifications on your Gmail. After typing your email address, tap on continue. After tapping on continue, here you'll be set to check your email address. So for now, we'll be going back. After that, here we'll tap on Gmail account. After tapping on Gmail, here as you can see, I have gotten a notification from OpenAI about changing my password. Here as you can see, OpenAI has sent a reset password Gmail. Here it is said that account has requested to change password, and if it was you, here you'll have to tap on the reset password button. After tapping on the reset password button, here you'll be able to see two boxes. On the top you'll have to type your new password, and on the bottom you'll have to re-enter the new password that you typed on the top. Make sure to type the password that you can easily remember and is secure enough. After you're done typing your new password and re-entering your new password, tap on the reset password button that is located below. After that, as you can see, your password has been changed. So from now here, we'll once again go back and tap on Google Chrome. After opening our Google Chrome, here we'll tap on the back option, and here we'll type the new password that we have just reset. And after that, tap on continue. And just like that, as you can see, your new password has been recovered. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to recover password on your ChatGPT. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.